Hey guys, welcome back to cruzermans inventions. It's been a rainy day today, so what I have in front of you is multi-electro. So here's a guy that makes self-running motors. This thing is not plugged into anything, so what he's doing now is just wrapping the rope around the shaft up here. I'll quickly just show you what he's done. He's fitted an alternator out with permanent magnets in the middle, and the wires are coming out here, two of them, to this, and wired into a 4-pin, 5-pin board here. So we can plug this motor into the board, and see when he pulls this rope, and that turns, it creates power and goes to the board, and in return, because this motor here is plugged into it, and he's got a switch in between, and so you can turn it on and off, it runs this motor. Alright, let's hit it and let's have a look. This, I believe, will be good for charging electric cars. You'll have no more range anxiety. Now here we go, guys. Okay, hit it. Here we go. There we go. Now, if you had one of these systems here, guys, inside a Tesla car or something, all you need to do is just plug the charger up to it, and then it's permanently charging as you're burning along. Right, you see that? Isn't that cool? Okay, we'll plug something into this now. Cordless drill. We'll see if we got a... That thing's running on its own, guys. There's no wires attached anywhere. Okay, let's try this cordless drill. Here we go. You can see that that's running. That's 750 watts of corded drill, right? So, okay, let's have a look. So that runs fine. Okay, so this is basically you could take this thing out into the middle of nowhere with you. You could run a lot of household appliances off this. It could cut your bills in half. Let's try something else. Let's try a light. Okay. Oh, there we go. And the drill. Pretty cool. Now, anyways, guys, the whole point of this, guys, I'm going to cut it there. I'm going to go down to something else for right now, and I'm going to show you something else. Now, one guy already done it. Check it out. I just found this.
In Oklahoma, where oil has been king for over a century, inventor...
Okay, here we go. This fella, he built a generator.
The wooden
This
prototype has a system
that where if he turns it, this thing will just keep going by itself, and in return he can put that in his car
this motor here
and run his electric car. But the fail point with his one
energy running
is that he needed to plug it in. He needed to plug it in to get the thing started. Now, multi-electro, as you saw, didn't need that. You could put a pull cord on it. Now, he's going to show you his car. Here's his car.
All the other electric automobiles that I've actually seen has been nothing but this standard transmission. This is an automatic transmission car.
There we go. Freeze frame it there. That's an electric motor hooked up to an automatic transmission. So some things are left stock standard in the car, like the battery for the electronics and so forth. But that unit I just showed you, he could power up his car, his electric car. Now this is automatic, which is...
There's not a whole lot of...
very bizarre.
I would call under cars. I've seen a lot of electric cars that have a lot of stuff in it. The only thing that this has a battery to run the radio, the blower. We've got two safety switches over here that can be mounted into an enclosed system, but we did this where you could see, where people can see this car with the technology. It's a safety switch system.
Yeah.
This is a...
Okay, so we'll fast forward it up a little bit. And there's obviously a controller there. He's explaining it needs high cooling because they do heat up. Okay, he's going to take it for a test run, and this is near the end of my vid as well, guys. So I just wanted you to see this. This is how
this electric automobile
simple it is.
It's got two gauges in front of the shifter on the automatic transmission. It's called the voltage and the amperage.
Voltage and amperage meters.
That's what I was talking about earlier about amperage on automobiles. Let's see if we can't get the amperage to go down instead of going up. The voltage on this here should say somewhere around 120 volts. When we start out, there's no amperage at all. So the gauges is down below here, and we're getting ready to take and go drive the car, and you can see for yourself what it does.
All right, so we'll just
All
get a
you
quick
do
clip of this.
Is to take and put it in gear, and the motor sounds like a little sports car. Shifts, runs good, fantastic automobile, drives. If you'll see the amperage on the gauge, see it going down?
Of course, as it's going faster, the amperage is going to drop down. And being an
That's what
automatic,
I
there's
like
no
about electric cars.
hardcore stress on the
If you
motor,
full load the
you know.
car, the most it will do would just be about maybe 100 amps.
So anyways, guys, fast forwarded a little bit. I'm nearly at my 6-minute mark. Here we go.
Inventors.
And there he goes. Oh, cool, guys. Awesome stuff. See you in the next vid, guys. Cruiser Man out.